This is a short video explaining how to use the Lotus Kit. So to use the ring, you'll see that there's this black infrared band on the top. You put that over your fingernail on your index finger, and then you check. Is this silicone dome or silicone bumper? Is it next to my thumb? If so, it's in the right position. But sometimes what happens is that you'll put it on like this, and then you'll be rotating it to find the button, but the IR band is on the back of your foot, which you don't want. So if that happens, you simply take it off, rotate it 180 degrees, and slip it back on again. And so again, what you want is you want the IR band on the top of your finger and the button next to your thumb. And then you simply point and click. You face the black band on the ring towards the black band on the switch cover and click. And you'll see that it jumps a little bit. I call it our little jumping bean. I'll show you what's happening on the back of the switch cover. So on the back, this is the rocker switch cover. And so when you activate it, you'll see these little motorized feet push out, and that's how they would push the part of your light switch as well. One thing I want to note is that this is not designed to be a laser pointer. If, for example, you have Parkinson's and you have like a heavy tremor, it still works, right? You don't need fine motor control. You can push the button against, say, your knee or a wheelchair or maybe even another hand to activate it. It also doesn't have to be on your finger to be used. Really think of it as just a button. So we chose a ring as a form factor for accessibility reasons because it can be used with just one hand without looking at the device. If, for example, you're low vision or maybe in bed at night, so there's no need to transfer. One last thing I want to highlight is that you don't actually need the ring to activate the switch. Let's say there's someone else in your home who wants to use the switch but who's not wearing the ring. They can just press this button on the front, anywhere on it, to activate it. You can press on the little dimple, but you'll see it's actually quite large, so anywhere you press should be just fine. Setting up the switch cover could not be any simpler. Just watch this. So it magnetically attaches, lift up your ring, point, and click. That's it. There's absolutely no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, no apps, no passwords.